Do you want to learn to understand and speak English like a native English speaker? In today's video, you will be experiencing my life from my point of view so that you can listen and practice your ability to understand native English speakers. In this video, you will learn new English words. You will learn useful English slang, and you will also practice your ability to understand spoken English. Let's get started. All right, everybody. Right now, we are driving on the road right here, and we are heading to a store called Costco. Costco is a really famous store here in the United States. We're actually going to have to pull over to the side of the road right here because there was a fire truck coming by. And the lights were on. So there was some kind of emergency. So in the United States, when that happens, you got to pull over to the side of the road. Like I was saying, we're going to be heading to Costco. Costco is kind of a unique store here in the United States because it is cheaper than most other stores, but you have to buy everything in bulk. So you basically can't buy like individual items. You have to buy everything in large quantities. So it makes everything cheaper. One interesting thing about Costco is that in order to shop at a Costco, you need to have a membership, which is basically something that you pay for once every single year. And the membership essentially gives you access to Costco. You're allowed to go inside of Costco if you have the membership. But if you don't have the membership, you're not even allowed to shop inside of a Costco. As we're driving, I'm drinking this drink right here. You can see this drink is in a can. This is what we call a can right here. And this drink is basically like a protein coffee. So it's essentially a coffee, but it has protein inside of it. So this one has 30 grams of protein. And this is actually a item that I purchased at Costco where we're about to go. And I purchased it in bulk. So basically I bought a bunch of cans of this. And overall, it's pretty good. All right, we are pulling up to the Costco right now. You can see the building is right in front of me. And you can probably already tell that Costco's are very, very large. You're just seeing one side of it, but it's a very big building. There's a ton of things that you can purchase here at Costco. All right, you can see that we're parked right here. This is the parking spot that we chose, and we're pretty far away from the Costco. Costco is all the way over there, and the reason why we parked so far away is because Costco gets really, really busy. People really love Costco, so sometimes all of the parking spaces are taken, and you have to park pretty far away and walk to the building. All right, we have just arrived at the Costco. Gonna walk in front of this big truck right here, make sure they see us. Okay, this is the entrance right in front of us. As we walk through the entrance, you will see somebody in the front who is basically there to make sure everybody entering is a Costco member. So you'll have to scan your membership card before entering the Costco. Thank you. So I just scanned my membership card, which means I am now allowed to enter the store. And this is Costco. You can see it's huge from the inside. And there's tons of different things to look at that I'll be showing you guys. I really like this right here. This is like a cooler bag, but it's also a backpack. So I feel like this will be really useful to take to like the beach or if you were going camping or something, because you can basically keep your items cool in this, but you can also wear it as a backpack. This one is $42. So maybe I'll pick this up in the future. Although you can buy a lot of different items at Costco, the number one thing that you're going to find here is food. You can also see that they have a lot of storage here in Costco. So you can see like these bottom spots right here are all different food that you can purchase. Like this one right here is corn. But then if you look above you, you'll see a ton of different rows of food that's just stored here so that if they basically run out of a certain food, they can move it down to the bottom area for people to purchase. You can also get food samples here in Costco. So you see Desiree is walking up and grabbing a food sample right now, and they're basically just free. And it's just a way of trying out the food to see if you want to purchase it. So this one is like a little pita chip with some hummus or something on it. It's pretty good. Just like very salty. Got another little sample right here. This one, oh, Allison's trying to grab that one. But this one is like chicken with rice and broccoli. I don't think Allison is going to let me eat it because she wants it really, really bad. In this section over here, you can see all different kinds of drinks you can purchase here. So really any kind of drink you can think of, they have a really big selection of. So for example, if you wanted to buy energy drinks, you could buy this pack of Red Bull right here, or you could buy this pack of Red Bull. These ones right here, these ghost ones, that's another type of energy drink. Two more different types of energy drinks right there. Or let's say you wanted to buy soda, then you could buy these sodas right here. You could buy these sodas right here, another kind of soda right here, another kind of soda right here, another kind of soda. I think you guys get the point. There's just a huge variety of any different type of drink you could think of. And then we're coming up on probably my favorite drink to buy here at Costco. This right here is a case of root beers. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried root beer before. I know it's a soda that is not very common in many other countries. It's a very American soda. So let me know if you've tried that before. And if you haven't, you should definitely check it out. They have like a big selection of ready to eat sushi right here. So you could come into Costco, and if you're a little bit hungry, you can pick up one of these packs of sushi and it's already ready to eat. So you can basically just eat it right out of the package. Sushi here in the United States is usually pretty expensive. So one of these sushi boxes right here is going to cost you about $13. So it's not a super cheap meal, but looks really delicious. Here's a sample of a drink that they sell here at Costco. Did she say what kind of drink it was?
This one was peach. I don't know which one you got.
Well, but like what kind of drink is like a
Hydration drink.
Oh, so like I guess this would be similar to like yeah, it'd be like an electrolyte drink, so it'd be similar to something like Gatorade, but I think this one is supposed to be a little bit healthier. And apparently this is a watermelon flavor. It's kind of interesting because usually when you drink like a watermelon flavored drink, at least here in the US, usually the liquid looks like totally red because of all of the food coloring, but this one is completely clear. So I think that means that it's like a healthier type of drink. Let's see if it's good. Oh, wow, that's pretty good. Very sweet. Check it out. We saw these, and I really like these right here. These are reusable shopping bags. So basically, if you're going shopping, you can bring these with you, and you could basically put all your items in the bags. The reason why I like these ones so much is because they're all Costco themed. So they're all of the different classic Costco products, but they look like little characters. You can see they have arms and legs and faces. But this is the iconic Costco brand right here, Kirkland Signature. So if anything says Kirkland Signature, it means it is a Costco product. So overall, this is super cool. I think I'm going to buy one for myself and then one for my grandfather for his birthday. I think these are the coolest dog toys I've ever seen in my life. They're like llamas or alpacas or something, and they're wearing these cool little hats right here. And I think they have like a little squeaker in them so that if you press on them, they'll squeak. Or maybe not. I'm not totally sure. Usually dog toys have that, but I'm not sure about these. But if you are from like South America, where these animals are common, Let me know whether this is a llama or an alpaca. This right here is the dairy section of Costco. And this area right here is super cold. When you enter this room, it becomes super, super cold. It's basically like you are inside of a giant freezer. The reason why it's like this is because all of the items here need to stay cold. So these are the kind of items that you would keep in your fridge or in your freezer at your house. So that's the reason why this entire area is like one giant freezer. I'm going to get out of here because it's honestly really cold and kind of uncomfortable being in here. Costco also sells a ton of these electric bikes that are really popular right now, especially with younger kids. So these bikes are basically electric, which means essentially they just move much faster than a normal bike because they're powered by electricity. They also have some electric scooters as well. You can see they have like 4 or 3 different options right there. Check it out. These are called fugglers right here. And these are really kind of trendy right now. A lot of people really like these, especially kids. But they're basically just stuffed animals. They're supposed to look really, really ugly. Like, look at that guy. This one is probably the ugliest one I've seen. Let's see what Allison thinks.
Like,
It looks like she actually likes him, even though he's super scary. Check out this one that looks like a really creepy elephant right here. Turn him around real quick. What on earth is that? But they also sell Lego sets here at Costco. And Legos are something that I always really liked as a kid. But they've just gotten more and more expensive over the years. So this is like a FIFA World Cup Lego set. You can see it's a Lego set of the famous soccer player Messi, but it's $130. Super expensive for these. You can also purchase like a ton of different types of TVs here at Costco. They have a lot of different options. This TV right here is super huge. This is a 98-inch TV. And yeah, this is massive. This one is about $1,800. So it's a very expensive TV. I feel like if you had this, that would be super cool though. Watching movies or sports games on this would be awesome. This is what we need right now during these hot summer months. It's pretty hot here in California right now. So it's been kind of brutal inside of our house. So this fan right here is super powerful. So I think eventually we need to buy one of these because that would really make things easier during the summer. This fan is about $100 though, so it's pretty expensive. This right here is the Costco self-checkout. So I can basically scan all of my items and pay for them right on this kiosk right here. So it's a way of basically being able to quickly and easily purchase items without needing to go to a physical register with a worker or anything like that. This right here is another part of Costco that I really love. This is called the Costco food courts. You can basically order food here, and it's essentially like a little restaurant here inside of Costco. There's not a ton of items to purchase, but there's a pretty good selection. You can see all of these people are in line to pick up their food that they bought. And then you can see that there are a bunch of tables over here where people are eating their food that they just purchased. What's so great about the Costco food court is it's basically the cheapest restaurant or fast food place that you can find anywhere here in the United States. You can get a good filling meal for about $4 or $5, which in most places costs at a bare minimum like $10 today. So it's a really good deal. And we're just about to leave the Costco right now. One of these workers right here is going to check our receipt to make sure we purchased all of the items that we're leaving with. And we have just left the Costco and are going to start heading home. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this comprehensible input English video. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.